Dumping waste is a dirty yet very necessary job that comes with the RV lifestyle. It's not fun to begin with, but it's particularly frustrating when you can't find a dump station nearby. Now, sure, many campgrounds have a dump station, but many don't. Furthermore, there can be long lines and sometimes high fees to use them. You'd think that finding a dump station would be as easy as searching for one in your GPS, but unfortunately, that results in a lot of inaccurate results. You're better off using RV-specific resources. I'm Mike Wendland with the RV Lifestyle, and I'm going to share those resources with you and in the description below, and some helpful tips. These are the top 5 resources to find RV dump stations. And we'll start our list with the top 3 free resources. As you can guess, these are a bit harder to navigate than paid resources, and they can get inundated with ads. But free is free, and you can get the information you need. The 3 free resources worth checking out are sannydumps.com, rvdumps.com, and rvshare.com/dumpstations. Now, there are 2 other resources that we highly recommend that make it very easy to find RV dump stations and so much more. Plus, we have discount codes in the video description that will help make these resources even more valuable to you. Here's a quick breakdown of the 2. Campendium, you can actually use Campendium's website for free to locate dump stations by using the map search feature. You first search by a state and then select View Map. The map search feature then has a category tab where you can select dump stations, and that will then populate on the map. It's very well organized and highly accurate. Campendium and all its great features has been bundled with a few other great RV resources into one great app called RoadPass Pro. Check out the video description below for all the great features, including access to over 14,000 free boondocking locations, RV GPS, Road Trippers Plus, cell coverage maps, and more. We also share a discount code. Allstays Pro. Now, Allstays is a travel-focused company that provides a suite of apps and resources for RVers, campers, truckers. One resource is an app called Allstays Camp and RV. If you have an iOS device, you can download that app by itself and search for all kinds of maps, services, and amenities. But you'll notice I listed Allstays Pro instead. Why? Because with Allstays Pro, you can find dump stations for RVs and so much more. Allstays Pro is browser-based. It's not an app, but it's such a great resource for RVers that we rely on it almost exclusively when we're planning RV trips. In the video description below, we include a link to an article that explains why Allstays Pro is one of our preferred resources. Plus, we share great discount code, quick tips for using RV dump stations. And lastly, I want to share some quick tips that can save you from a messy situation. These are just good practices to keep in mind. Ready? First of all, when you're going to dump, release your black tank before your gray tank to minimize odors and blockage. And make sure you have an airtight connection before you open the tanks. Always clean up after yourself using the water hose that's provided at most dump stations. If you're topping off your freshwater tank, make sure that you use the potable hose that's usually located at the far end of the dump station. And don't forget to check out the video description again. We have more helpful resources and discount codes for you. I'm Mike Wendland with RV Lifestyle. Be sure and subscribe to this channel for more quick and helpful RV tips.